We live in a world stuffed with all kinds of gadgets, ranging from miniature music players all the way up to big giant workstation builds. The amount of gadgets we use to enhance our daily lives is an uncountable figure. This right here is a crispy $1 bill. Do you know what you can get for a dollar? A tasty snack. Do you know what else you can get for a dollar? Ladies and geeks, I hereby present you to the first episode in the installment of Awesome Tech That Money Can Buy. For all of your penny pinching people out there, here are the best tech accessories you can get for less than a dollar. Coming in at the first position, we have this cable. This is known to people as an OTG cable or to geeks as an on-the-go connector. In case you do not know what it does, an OTG connector converts the micro USB port of your Android device into a fully fledged USB female port, ready to sip in any device that would perhaps use an OTG connection to pair. These cute little cables are available everywhere, and I mean everywhere, including local stores nearby you. With this cable in your hands, you can take full advantage of your Android device. Connect it with any pen drive, hard drive, or even a keyboard or a mouse, and it won't let you down. Obviously, an OTG cable needs a whole separate video showcasing its best features. Well, you're in total luck because I've already made a compilation of the best uses an OTG connector provides you with. Occupying the second place in this list, we have a card reader. These bad boys come in probably a million different variants produced by a billion other companies, but all do essentially the same job, right? You might not realize the importance of a card reader unless you physically use SD cards on a daily basis, maybe for videography or photography. Since all of the PCs now don't have a dedicated SD card slot, you're pretty much restricted to using one of these guys. Not only that, but some card readers supply you with a baller set of options. This random one I have right here takes in a micro SD card, the one you find in your typical smartphones, and also takes in the standard SD card size, which is mostly used in cameras and DSLRs. I'll be linking down some of the most trusty card readers down below, and you will have a wide variety of options to choose from. SD card readers are yet another great example of plug and play tech items. This is a smart key. Basically what it does is connects using your phone's headphone jack and then transmits some specific bytes of data to it for specific functions. You can pick these over at Amazon for less than a dollar, or if you are lucky, even less than 50 cents. For this to work, you need to configure an application, and once you're set to go, you'll be blown away by its amazing functionality. You can use it to assign a bunch of options, including a single tap, double tap, triple tap, so on and so forth up to 10 freaking taps. Also, you can assign 3 long presses. This is most useful for getting things done on the go, clicking selfies or launching applications. I've done a separate video on the same talking about the features and how to set it up. All in all, this is by far the cutest tech item I've ever laid my hands on. The last item on this list is a USB light. It does exactly what it says. It utilizes your PC's or laptop's USB output to provide some light. These are totally flexible, meaning that you can squeeze these through anything you want. While this is mostly made for laptops which do not have backlit keys, you can go bonkers with this thing and try pairing it with your smartphone. Know how? You can get these just around a dollar, or even get a few bunch of these on a crazy discount. Talking about the functionality, I've got to admit, these do provide some serious amounts of illumination. Bet you didn't see this coming. Rounding off this episode of Awesome Tech That Money Can Buy, we have a special item at the end of this episode. We've reviewed 4 items, and summing all of those dollars, you get $4. You can either get the products mentioned above, or save it all up and get the slick looking knife. This costs just about $4 and it's totally worth every penny. It is shaped as a credit card, so you'll have no issues fitting it inside of your wallet. It also has a safety lock mechanism to make sure you don't cut your arms off. A few folds and boom! You have a super sharp knife. This is indeed a really sharp blade and can slice through anything really easily. Alright guys, that's been it for this episode of Best Tech Under a Dollar. If you want this series to continue with different price points, sure to let me know. Until then, this is Adnan and I'll catch you guys later. No animals or plants were harmed during the making of this video. Oh.